Hi there. Okay, I know we just went over elements of drama. I think it'd be really great if we could start listing some of the different parts of elements of drama in our journal. Why, do you ask? Because I think it's important if we ever need to go back and we try to remember what is the different parts of elements of drama. Well, we can look through our journal to help us, okay? So let's write today's date, 1-6-21. Remember, it's a new year. No more 20, 21. The title, Elements of Drama. And this is interactive, meaning we're doing this together, okay? So if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. I'll pause for a minute, but if you need additional time, just pause. Okay. Okay, what we're going to be focusing on today is cast of characters. So I'm going to write right here, cast of characters. Okay, I'm going to underline this. Remember, if you need more time, if I'm going a little quick, just pause the video. And I'm going to write a little definition of cast of characters, and then afterwards I'm going to give you some time to go ahead and draw a picture if you want. All right, so cast of characters is all the characters in a drama. What's another word for drama? A play. Period. Okay. Okay, if you need more time, just pause the video. And then we can do a little example. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my very best to try to draw a wolf. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a picture to help me remember, okay, this is cast of characters, okay? You don't have to draw this. I'm going to be doing Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf. You can go ahead and do whichever ones you like. Not a good example right here. Or not the best drawing. Alright. Alright, so here is my definition. Cast of characters. All the characters in a drama or play. So this is Little Red Riding Hood. So this is the two characters from that play. Alright. I hope you enjoyed our little review over cast of characters.